In normal times, the world's most formidable nuclear weapons would never be the subject of tweets and jokes. And in fact, the briefcase, known as the nuclear football, doesn't have a button at all. It is instead a series of launch codes. Donald Trump's fury with Bannon and the fallout from the nuclear tweet has made this a tumultuous start to the new year. The president's critics openly worrying about his stability.
OK, well, as you can probably tell, we have a fire alarm. You could probably tell that before we went into that report, but we still have a fire alarm here and we're not quite sure what to do about it. So I'm really sorry about this, but I'm afraid we have to evacuate the building. These things happen, and unfortunately it's happened tonight and we have very little choice. So I really apologise. We'll get back to you with the rest of the programme if we possibly can. But for now, it's good night.